World changers, history makers, pace setters. This is Mother Ego. And our topic for today is learning by repetition. One of the secrets that helped me learn all the new concepts very quickly and the quick growth I did since I started my personal development journey, which was around 2011. It was learning by repetition. Every time you find a new concept or a new idea, usually it has to go through your mindset process, breaking down the boundaries and the walls, changing all what you used to know into in order to embrace the new idea. So I encourage you, as you watch these little videos that I send out, rewatch them, watch them again and again. If these principles resonate with you, it's important that you watch them several times so they become part of you. At some point, all these ideas become second nature, and you just be who you are with all embodying all these new ideas. So sometimes I get messages where people are asking, can we have some more videos? Can we, when are you producing the next video yet? Yes, those are good requests. But in the meantime, we have a whole archive from 2011 full of videos and audios from in our Facebook group. So if you're the kind who wants to absorb information quickly and at your own pace, in one sitting, well, we have a whole archive for you. You can, learn as much as you want. But remember, as you learn, you have to take time for action. Then when you take action, you allow time to review and revise, then repeat the process. Because at the end of the day, we need to see results, a real transformation. Well, hope that helps. This is Mother Ego again talking to you. Talk to you soon. I'll leave the link behind to the Facebook group. Bye.